It is the thing we are all focused on as the results come in, the Electoral College and each side's road to 270, the number of electoral votes needed to win the White House. Here's our starting point. 43 states and Washington, D.C. are either reliably red or reliably blue. That means Kamala Harris can already count on 225 electoral votes and Donald Trump on 219. Now, it's not totally guaranteed, but it's pretty likely on both sides. The election will be decided, therefore, in these 7 swing states, which between them carry 93 electoral votes, along with 1 congressional district in Nebraska, the yellow square here. We'll come back to that later. Harris's easiest path to victory runs through the so-called blue wall. That's Wisconsin, Michigan, Pennsylvania right here. Turning these 3 states red is what put Donald Trump in the White House 8 years ago. Turning them back to blue made Joe Biden president. But because electoral votes have been redistributed since the last election, reflecting population shifts, those 3 states are no longer quite enough. Winning them would put Harris at 269, 1 vote shy of victory. She would still need 1 more state to put her over the top. Now, Trump's road to 270 starts with holding North Carolina, a state he won last time by just 1.3 points. If Trump wins the blue wall and holds North Carolina, he's at 279, he wins. But lose North Carolina and he's at 263, still 7 votes short. If he holds North Carolina, Trump could even lose the biggest swing state of Pennsylvania and still make it to 270 by winning either Arizona with 11 electoral votes or Georgia with 16 electoral votes. He would need just 1 of those states, not both. Let's go back now to that earlier scenario. Harris holds the blue wall and Trump takes the other 4 swing states. That's what it looks like. That would leave Harris at 269 and Trump at 268, which brings us back to Nebraska. It is one of just 2 states, Maine being the other, that splits its electoral vote according to who wins each of the state's congressional districts. Now, stay with us for this one. Since 1992, Nebraska 2, as it's formally known, has gone against the rest of the state twice, giving 1 electoral vote to Barack Obama in 2008, 1 to Joe Biden in 2020. In this scenario, if Harris held on to that vote, which is basically the city of Omaha, she's president. But if Trump wins it, then we're tied at 269 each. If that happens, it is the U.S. House of Representatives which chooses the next president, with each state getting 1 vote. That is something that hasn't happened in nearly 200 years.